like this market is just desperate to glom on to any positive news as it relates to this trade meeting between the U.S. and China.
Yeah, well, they tended to hear in the present tense what sounded like something in the past tense. And, Mnuchin said we had a deal that was 90% done. And the market took it as is 90% done.
Oops.
And what they failed to look at was, yeah, we had a deal that was 90% done, and they walked away from what was 90% done. So it means we have possibilities, but not a heck of a lot more than that. But you can see how nervous the shorts are. They came running right in, and they haven't really backed off much since then, even though people have come to the realization that we're doing present tense versus past tense.
Right. I mean, we made the point at the very top of the show, there was nothing new here. May 6th, June 9th. Now, yesterday, it's the same. 90% done, it was, and we got to get the other 10%. Where do you stand in terms of your thoughts about what's coming up later this week in terms of Xi and Trump?
Well, I think you'll see some pleasant overtures. I don't think anybody's going to steal ahead on it. I think the president will want to encourage, and actually both of them will want to say something encouraging. But if it gets beyond we have agreed to resume, then the markets will take a good deal more out of it. But you can see by the bounce this morning, with the shorts as nervous as they are, anything that's upbeat will help move the markets higher. But again, we still have the thing that concerned you and me, David, the Iranian situation.
Yes.
Which is always the risk of a military accident coming up. So I think you want to walk a little cautiously. Friday could be very interesting. It's going to be end of month, end of quarter, end of half, and you're going to get a Russell rebalancing. So things could get a little disruptive there. I don't assume that Trump and Xi will meet before Saturday, and so we'll be walking into that. But the market probably wants to rally here, wants to break out to significant new highs. For now, as we said earlier in the week, it's still consolidating.